Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Azmeen by A.BAKAR. Today I'm going to show you the basic router configuration review of the packet tracer, which is the lab 14.3.5. As you can see, this is the addressing table that has been given to us, and the objective, the background, and the scenario of the lab, and the instruction that contain part 1 until part 5. Now I'm going to start with step 1, configure the PC interfaces. That we're going to configure the IPv4 and IPv6 of the PC3 and the IPv4 according to the addressing table that has been given. Now I'm going to start PC3. Okay, now we are done. We're going to move to the step 2, which is configure the router. On the router 2, we're going to open the terminal, and we're going to move to the exact privilege mode. Okay, now we are done. Enter the configuration mode. Okay, assign the bus name, which is host name router 2. Okay, then configure the Cisco this password as an encrypted password into the privilege exit mode. Okay, set the domain name of the router. Okay, disable the DNS lookup and include the plain text password. Okay, configure the username SSH and the following password that has been given. And the generate is a set of crypto key that have 1024-bit modulus. Okay, the crypto key has been created, and assign Cisco as a console password that disconnect after 6 minutes of an inactivity. We're gonna assign Cisco as a virtual password and do like the same, which is disconnect after 6 minutes of inactivity. And create a banner that warn anyone accessing the device without the device is prohibited. Okay, now we're gonna enable the IPv6 routing. And we're gonna configure all the interface on the router, which is IPv4 and IPv6 address information. Okay, we're gonna do that by start with interface 0/0/0. Okay, now I have been done configure all 4 interface and move to the save the running configuration by typing the copy running. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, we can see here the completion has been done, which is the 100%, and we're gonna answer the question. We should verify the connectivity using the command line at PC3, ping the IPv4 and IPv6 for the PC4. We're now open the PC3, and we're gonna ping the PC4. Okay, the request has been successful, which is only 35% loss, and we're gonna ping the IPv6 also. Okay, the IPv6 has been received. Okay, all the packet 0% loss, and all the packet has been replied. From the serial I on the router 2, ping the serial 0/1/1 on the address of router 1. So we're gonna do that. When the ping was successful, 5% 100% received. Also, the IPv6, which is 5/5, 100% successfully, and we're gonna ping the ISP address from PC3. Okay, the ISP also has successful ping, and we're gonna attempt to testing the ISP by pinging this address. Okay, the destination host was unreachable. The ping was not successful. Okay, from the command line of the PC3, open an SSH session. Okay, we're gonna do that. Okay, we have the password. Okay, the remote access was successful. Now we move to the part 2, which is display router information, and we're gonna type the show command from the SSH session to retrieve information. Okay, now we receive the information, which is contain many information. Okay, now we're gonna move to the step 2, which is retrieve important hardware and software information, which is type the show version that I has been entered before, which is the show version. Okay, we're gonna see here what is the name of the iOS image that the router is running. The iOS image is the boot flash, which is .bin. You can see here this is the iOS image, and how much the non-volatile random NVRAM that the router have. The NVRAM that the router have, which is this, you can see here, 32768 kilobyte, and how much flash memory that has the router have. You can see here, this is the amount of the flash memory that the router have, and the show command, the after multiple screen or the output, we're gonna use this command to include the register to the specific mode of what the command they're gonna include. Okay, now move to the step 3, which is display the running configuration. Use the show running configuration command. Okay, we can do this. Okay, how our password present in the output? The password, all the password has been encrypted. We can't see the real one. Show running config begin VTY command. Okay, we're gonna see what the result of the command. Okay, we can see here the VTY line VTY has been created, which is 04 and 5 to 15. Okay, we can see here the password, login local, and the transport input SSH. Also the node, which is we can use the command also. Okay, to display the same result like this. Okay, move to the step 4, which is display the routing table on the router. Okay, we gonna do this step, which is show IP route. Okay, this is the IP route of the router, which is contain many serial or gigabyte that has been connected. Okay, what code is used in the routing table to indicate the directly connect network? The C code. This is the C code that has been used to indicate the directly connect network. And how many root entries are code with a C code? Okay, the C code here we can see. This is the C code. We have 4 C code. There's 4 root entry that are code. Okay, move to the step 5, the last step, which is display a summary list of the interface on the router. Use the show IP interface brief command. Okay, we gonna do this. Okay, I forgot. The C means connected. Okay, now we can see the IP interface brief. Okay, what I command change the status gigabit internet port from administrative down to up, which is the no shutdown command. And what a filtering command would you use to display only the interface that we assign, which is the partner command, and use the show IPv6 interface to command to verify the IPv6 settings on router 2. Okay, this is the IPv6 interface brief, which is what is the meaning of the up part of the output. Okay, we can see this up, and the first up is for the status, and the second up is for protocol. We can see all the port is up, and one is administrative down and down. Okay, I think I have completed the lab session. Okay, you can see here this completion is been 100%, and we're gonna check the result. Okay, the result has been complete. Okay, I have completed the question. Okay, I think that's all from me, from Muhammad Azmeen bin A.BAKAR. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum.